Getting in some breaking news now via Anuj that Avinash Pandey, the Congress leader, has asked Sachin Pilot to join today's meeting along with his camp. We're getting it some more updates now that the Congress Rajasthan in charge has said a message was sent to Pilot to sit together over the table, sort out all issues. And the Congress saying that Sachin made it clear they will not be joining today's meeting. So it's perhaps too far down the road, and Sachin Pilot making up his mind, Anuj, that he will not attend that meeting, which is not a good sign for the Congress party, which means he's not even willing to go to the table anymore to talk things over, which the Congress may have expected at some point.
Yes, Niranjan. Yes, Niranjan, this is again a big setback for the Congress party, and that's the latest what we are learning at this point in time, that Avinash Pandey, the in charge of Rajasthan, dialed to Sachin Pilot. He left a message to Sachin Pilot. He asked Sachin Pilot, along with his camp, he requested to join today's meeting, which is already scheduled at Ashok Gehlot's place. The meeting, which is scheduled for 8 in Rajasthan. So there, Avinash Pandey requested, rather asked Sachin Pilot to join the same meeting and sort out the issues whatsoever it is on the table, sitting on the table, so that the issues can be sorted out. And let me tell you, the next what we are understanding and what we have been told is that Sachin Pilot had said a big no for the same. So this is again is going to be the setback for the Congress party, when Sachin Pilot for today's meeting at least has denied. He has made it stand clear that he is not going to join today's meeting, and this was something which was scheduled to happen today, to sort out the issue, to take the next step, to look into the matter, that what exactly is going to happen. We have seen the same kind of meetings earlier at the time of Rajya Sabha elections, but this was again an important meeting which was scheduled for, which is rather scheduled for today at 8 p.m. in Rajasthan itself, and this was requested, rather this was asked, this was the message was given by Avinash Pandey that Sachin Pilot and his camp, the MLAs who is there in the camp of Sachin Pilot, should join that very meeting. But a big no is being stated by Sachin Pilot at this point in time, what we have been told. So this is something what we are learning. This is something what we have been told, that internal tussle is again increasing, and this is obviously out in public domain.
Let me get the word from Shantashri as well.
Yes,
Shantashri has been outside Sachin Pilot's residence. Shantashri, you've been outside his residence. Is he at his residence? Congress leaders claim they've been trying to reach out to him. He hasn't responded. They've left messages for Sachin Pilot. Jyotiraditya Scindia has tweeted saying that his friend is being crushed inside the Congress party, and then he's getting a bad deal, and how talent is not being recognized in the Congress party. Where is Sachin Pilot in the middle of all of this? Has there been any movement at his residence?
Yes, Niranjan, that is the biggest question that everybody is asking right now, that we are standing since morning outside Sachin Pilot's residence, but there is no spotting of Sachin Pilot since morning. We have spotted some guards and also police presence in the morning, which actually gave the hint that he must be inside his residence. But since morning, there has been no movement at all. We have seen his brother and his mother moving out from the residence, but definitely not him. While reports come in that he had a meeting with Jyotiraditya Scindia, and also he's trying to get in touch with other leaders where he's owing his options. Definitely we believe that he is in Delhi, but in this residence he is not. So yes, everybody is awaiting that whether he actually comes to this residence or any other residence that he will be going to, but there is no spotting of Sachin Pilot at all since morning, and that is the biggest question that lingers on, that where is exactly Sachin Pilot, the man who is going to, if possible, if he has the numbers and if he can gain the confidence of the other MLAs, can topple and let Lotus bloom again in Rajasthan.
Okay, we'll take a short break at this point. Stay tuned for all the updates. In fact, you can also log on to republicworld.com. Our blog, the political blog, is the #1 search. So if you search for Sachin Pilot, it's the first thing that will show up. That's how popular it is. You can track the developments as we get you the latest scoop. Jyotiraditya Scindia's tweet, setting the cat among the pigeons, as he says his friend and former colleague in the Congress party, Sachin Pilot, has received a raw deal in the Congress which has failed to recognize talent or merit. Sachin Pilot has been struggling, and that's the truth about the Congress party in Rajasthan. Taking a short break on Republic TV. We're back with all the headlines, including the COVID update. Stay tuned.